Welcome back to Mustache Moto, it's Ben, and today we're going to learn how to start on a hill. One of the things that's really intimidating for new riders, especially ones that didn't grow up driving a stick shift car, is stopping on a hill. All right, we're stopped. If I let off the brake and let the clutch in, we're gonna roll backwards. So how do I get started, get up the hill, and get on my way without stalling the bike or dropping it or lurching forward? So I got a few steps that you can practice that are gonna make you really confident doing this. We're gonna start off on a flat road for it. Our first exercise, we're gonna start off on a flat or a nearly flat road, one that we don't have to really worry about the bike rolling too much on. All right, we're gonna learn some clutch control because this is the key to starting on a hill and not rolling back, not stalling the bike, and not freaking out. What we're gonna do, I got the brake on, front brake on, clutch in, put the bike in gear. I'm gonna hang on to the brakes, front and rear, and what I wanna do is let the clutch out until I hear the engine RPMs drop and the bike wants to go forward. You can hear that. It's almost stalling out, okay? That means that the clutch is slipping, and with the clutch slipping, it's gonna hold the bike in place. You're not gonna roll backwards. Then when as you let off the brakes, you can feed in more gas and let out the clutch, and that's gonna propel you forward with, like I said, without rolling backwards. So, brakes, let it out. You can hear it start to roll with the brakes on, okay? See, it almost stalls. You got to be able to know where that grab point is on your clutch, how far to let it out, and how slowly to do it. And then you want to have some finesse. Now, depending on the type of bike you have, how big the engine is, that's going to change things a little bit. So if you got a really small displacement bike, it's going to want to stall the bike a little bit quicker, and you may have to feed in a little bit of gas. All right, nice and easy. You're learning where the grab point is. So if we did that without any brakes on, the bike's rolling forward before the RPMs even drop. Not letting the clutch all the way out. We're not whacking on the gas. We're just getting that little bit where it starts to grip, and that's going to keep you, when you're on a hill, from rolling backwards. So get really comfortable with that. Let me mention, this will put a little bit of wear on your clutch, but not a lot. Don't sit there in that friction zone for a long time. Don't try and hold your bike in one place doing it. You know, don't do it until the bike is super overheated. You want to do this a little at a time, just so you get that feeling, and it's not going to do much damage to your clutch. That being said too, clutch is probably one of the cheapest, easiest to replace parts on most bikes. Costs you about $100, maybe $200 to replace all the friction and plates and steel plates, and it's a pretty easy job to do yourself. All right, so brakes are on. Let the gas out. I stalled at that time. No big deal if you stall on a hill. You just let go of the clutch. It's going to hold you in place because you're in gear. All right. Start it up. Let the clutch out. Brakes are on. See that? One other thing to try, I'm going to go ahead and put it in neutral for this, because we don't need to worry about the gear. On a flat, at a stoplight, use your front brake to hold the bike in, and then teach yourself to give it a little bit of gas. I talked about this in my grip video, which I'll link. You want to be able to work the throttle and the brake independently to some degree. Keep holding it. All right, now let's move on to advanced. We'll go to a hill. All right, now we're ready for the more advanced training. We're on a hill, we're on a slope. It's a pretty decent slope. If I let off the brake, watch, we roll back pretty quick there, right? So what I'm gonna do, same thing, I'm gonna ease off the brake while I'm giving it gas and just try and hold the bike kind of in position. I'm gonna give it a little bit more gas because we're on a hill. So I'm off the brakes now. That's just holding it there with the clutch in the friction zone. All right, a little bit of gas. Bring clutch up to where it's rolling. All right, Let's do this a couple times. I'm going to start to let the clutch out until it starts to catch. Give it a little bit of gas. Oops, didn't quite do it there. All right, I'm keeping my foot on the brake for this, just as a test, just as I'm kind of getting comfortable with it, okay? I can let off, I won't use my handbrake this time. So I can let the engine start to catch. And slip in there, giving it a little bit of gas. I can take my foot off the brake and we roll forward. If I get it just right, I can take my foot off the brake and just hold the bike right where we are. Like I said, we don't want to sit there and do that for a long time. We don't want to burn up the clutch, but we want to get comfortable getting it right in that slip position. And then when we're ready to go, we just continue to give it gas, feed it out, and we'll go forward, all right? Here we go. Nice and easy, up the hill. Smooth as butter. No need to rev the engine, no need to panic, no need to move quickly. Just kind of continue giving it the gas, feed the throttle, feed the clutch, and you're ready to roll. All right, let's do that one more time. So we're gonna come up here, we're gonna come to a stop. All right, foot down, brakes are on. I'm gonna hold the front brake this time too, because I like to do that. So I'm gonna start giving it gas until it starts to, okay, look, you hear that? Let off, and we just roll nice and slow up the hill. How smooth and confident was that? All right, now we're gonna do the super duper hard one. All right, for our final exercise, we're not gonna use our rear brake. We're gonna only do it with our hand, okay? I like to be comfortable doing this because there might be times where you're on uneven ground, you know, you're off camber, you need to have your right foot down. Or maybe you got a passenger on the back and you wanna make sure to keep the bike good and solid. So we can do this. Remember, we're gonna hold the front brake. That's the only thing holding us in place. And I can give it gas while I'm still holding the front brake. So we're gonna do the exact same thing. Clutch out, giving it a little gas, there it's catching. Look at that. Ease right on up the hill, nice and smooth. After you practice for a little while, these steps are gonna kind of flow one into the other. It's gonna happen a lot quicker. And before you know it, you're not even gonna think about it. You're just gonna take off on a hill and head on down the road. So, get out, practice, and get out there and ride.